Alright, so first off, you want to head to FCPEuro and find the oil change kit for your car. And once you order that for yourself, you just gotta wait for it to arrive. Alright, once you receive your oil, it'll look like this. I already opened it. Alright, inside you're gonna get all your oil. Alright. And they sell kits, so this is the kit that I bought. 10 weight 40. That E36 M3. And it'll come with the filter and all the gaskets and stuff in here. Next up, you're gonna wanna open this up. Now the next part's the fun part. You get to actually go change the oil. So I'm gonna go pull the car in. Alright, this part's important. You want to make sure what you send back is exactly everything that came with the kit. So as you can see, what we brought out already is the filter. We just took that out. And all the other components that come with the filter as well. We see on this bolt here that at the end there's a little washer. And on this end, there's this piece right there. On the cap, it's the same thing. This part goes around right there. If you open up the box, obviously it comes with the filter itself, and with it comes all the other small parts. So if it comes with it, you want to make sure you send back the same exact things. That's the way you're going to get all your money back. Alright, so after all that, you should be able to take all your old little pieces like that. I'm gonna put them back in this bag here. That. Got the old filter. And just like that, she's good to go. Alright, she's done. It's time to put this bolt back in. I can reach this shit. Ooh, it's close. Alright, with the oil all bagged up, you want to zip tie the bag, clip off the end. Stuffing back in. And now we got to go print the return label, and it's all set. All right, now that she's all packed up, all you gotta do is ship her out back to FCP and wait